So we're going to add a little bit, sprinkle some olive oil on the top, which always goes very nicely. Fresh extra virgin olive oil always goes well with pasta. So we're going to put that aside and put some fresh parsley in there. That always looks beautiful. And there you have it. No, I can't hold that. This is
heavy.
okay. Quick, delicious, and nutritious pasta. Please don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss another one of my videos. Now I'm gonna have to do a quick taste test, which is the best part of cooking, right? So. Looks divine. Don't want to burn myself. Mmm. 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 So delicious. Thank you all for watching. Please make this dish. Don't forget to like and subscribe.